Hi, Mark Joseph here. I'm going to explain how to add or delete a row in Microsoft Excel. Well, you can see I have my spreadsheet up, and I'm going to add a row for a new expense that I have with this budget. So what you want to do is highlight the row that you want to add a new one above. So as you can see, I have the car row highlighted. I'm going to right click and then hit insert, and you can see that Excel put in a new row just above it. So I'm going to call this the cell phone row. We just bought a new cell phone. It's going to cost us $50 a month. And we've just added that to our budget. Now, let's suppose that we paid off our car note and we no longer have a car bill. So we want to remove a row. So again, you highlight the row to be removed, right click, and then select delete. And as you can see, that row's been deleted. And that's how you add or remove rows in Microsoft Excel.